Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this item. This is the Dewalt tripod light. Is Delta Charlie Lima 079 Bravo. Pick this up, so it's going to be an unboxing, information, specs video. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so today we're going to do an unboxing and specs information video on this Dewalt tripod light. It is a 3000 lumen light. There was a deal at Home Depot. Today is September 21st. I got it yesterday, which was Monday, September 20th. They're doing a deal that you get this for $179 instead of its normal $229 price at Home Depot. And this is always $119 at Lowe's, so if you do want this when this deal ends, you can always go to Lowe's and get it for $119. It's only like 20 bucks less or 19 something bucks less than Home Depot, but this is Delta Charlie Lima 079 Bravo. That is the model number for it. It is a bare tool. I can't find the scale. I usually do a weight the item, and then I'll weigh it with some batteries, stuff like that. I can't find the scale, so we'll just kind of wing it. Where is a box cutter? My other box cutter that I usually leave on the bench also, for some reason, is missing. Flip the box over. Alright, so it doesn't really have much specs on the back. Natural white LED provides accurate color visibility, long lifespan, and stays cool to the touch. 3 brightness settings to customize workspace illumination. Telescoping pole extends to 7 feet to reduce shadows and glare. Collapses to 39 inches for an easy transportation. Latch mechanism on the handle to easily extend and collapse legs. Tough shroud protects light head to withstand job site conditions. Max output is up to 3000 lumens. Brightness settings 3. Tool weight, tool only, 16 pounds. DCL079 is the light. And the B stands for bare, so bare tool. Flip it like this. I can figure out how to get the box open. Oh. There it is. This is the only one that actually was at Home Depot. Come on. Really. So much tape and so many different weird spots. There it goes. Trying to make it better for you guys to see it. There. There you go. This is how it comes in the box. Just like this. Pull the packaging out. Here's the light. Box is empty. It did have two end caps. So it had this end cap right here, and this one that was at the ends of the light. Instruction manual. Here's this one right here. So it is actually pretty heavy. This is going to be a quick video since since I can't find my scale at the moment, or I would give you guys some weights and measurements of, you know, this light by itself, you know, what it actually weighs and what it weighs with certain batteries. We could always do another video on that, where after I find the scale I can always record another video and show you guys what it weighs with certain batteries. A 3 amp hour compact, 4 amp hour compact. I have a 2 you know, the older 18650 batteries with the 2. We've got a 4, and then I have a bunch of flex volt battery sizes. But it's a nice little light. The battery compartment is down here. I think you can go up to, I think, a 12. The biggest battery I have is a 9 for a flex volt battery. Yep, and there's space to put a 12. There's also space you probably put the new 15 amp hour. And it's pretty heavy. It's a lot heavier than the Milwaukee lights. So here is the light, the box on the floor right here. But here is the light right here. I just opened it up. It's pretty simple. Just grab the handle right here, push the gray button in, and that's it. And then you just set it down, pull the legs down like that. Just lift it up so the legs lock in. And light is here. You got 2 plastic levers to lift the light up and down. Like that. The light rotates like that, and it swivels also. There you go. And then move it over here. Just point it up. Then you have the button right here for the power. That's what it looks like. High, medium, low, off. This one is a single bunch of LED diodes in the center. And I'll give you guys a closer look. So it's got just a bunch of LED diodes in the center. It looks like a Cobb LED. I think there's a different version of this light too. I think they might have had where the LEDs were on the outside, just around the reflector housing also. But just a quick video, quick unboxing. This will go all the way up to 7 feet. That one's at its max height for the top, bottom. This right here. That's the max height for the second tube. Just to give you guys a look at it. There you go. Slide that one down. And you have to turn the light in a specific rotation, specific spot for it to slide into this base. It's a nice light. It's definitely bright. 3000 lumens is pretty bright, especially for especially when I have the M12 Milwaukee, which is not even close to that. But this will give me the opportunity to be able to use larger batteries. And I have a lot of Dewalt lights, but it's just a quick information video, just a quick unboxing, take it out the box, talk about it real quick. I will definitely do another video on it, where when I find the scale, we'll definitely weigh it with several different batteries. Look at it. It's just a light and the instruction manual. It's pretty simple on how to use a light. If you guys have any questions, leave comments down below. I'll do my best to answer them the best I can. It's nicely built, very heavy duty. I'm going to end up probably picking up the Milwaukee's new hybrid tower light as well. That one I think is 4,000 or 6,000 lumens, I can't remember. But that one's pretty heavy as well, but it also charges batteries if you plug it into the wall. You can plug it into the wall to power it. You can plug it into the wall and plug a battery into it, and it'll charge the battery. You can run it off batteries. It also has USB ports as well. So that light has got a couple extra features. This is just a bare bone basic light. But I've wanted to pick this up for several years, so I figured while it's $179, I'm probably never going to find it for any cheaper than that. Since of all the years this has been out, I've never found it for any cheaper than $110. So might as well pick it up. I like lights anyways. I'm a big fan of lights. I've got lots of lights, as you guys know. But I hope the video was helpful. Just showing you guys quick things about it, how to set it up. And showing you guys the 9 amp hour flex volt does fit. There's enough room for a 12, and I remember correctly, the new 15 amp hour flex volt that just came out is in the same size package as the 12 amp hour, so that should fit in this light too. Do appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!